Hey, check this out. I'm in Netbox and I'm going to do something weird like add a local prefix to my IPAM. Let's see how that goes. When I hit create, I get this custom error. No local address is allowed. How'd that happen? And just real quick, I want to thank Guido De Giovanni who helped me put this together. Well, it's because I've got a custom validator set in my Netbox code. If I come over to VS Code right here, you can see I've created a class that extends the built-in custom validator class that Netbox provides. And it's checking to see, hey, if this starts with 127, it's not okay. We throw an error, right? And we put this message on the prefix field. So can I add more than one validator? Absolutely. I've got a role validator that's going to make sure every IP prefix has a role. And I can even add additional logic. If that role is PrinterNet, I can make sure that it's got a custom field attached to it, right? So if I come back into Netbox, I can see, yeah, it's not marked as required, but even if I put a valid IP range and I create, it's still going to throw an error. So how did I do that? Well, I've got my code, right? I've got these two validator files, and there's kind of a bit of a debate on where to put them. I created a validators folder in the Netbox folder and put them in here. But then when you come into configuration.py, you import these classes, right? And then you add them to a configuration block for your custom validators. I'm adding these two classes to the IPAM prefix field. You can add them to all sorts of different resources in Netbox to add your own custom validation all throughout the different APIs. Give it a try.